Say, don't I know you? Your name is right on the tip of my tongue.
My name is Bill. Bill of Rights. Who are you?
I am Constitution. Or at least what's left of her.
Yeah. I know how you feel.
It's hard to believe that I have been reduced to just a few lines of ink on a piece of paper. I was once a powerful and respected document, with meaning and purpose.
Me too. What happened to us?
I don't know. I hear people say how they are fighting to protect us.
They are doing a terrible job of it. The biggest threat to our survival is our own politicians.
True. People feel that the government will protect their rights.
I don't feel very protected.
Me either. I remember a horrible thing that happened to me back in 2001. A group of men and women wrote a new document. The Patriot Act. It was not long before that document was tearing me to pieces.
That same document has been kicking my butt too.
I thought the people of this nation would stand up and protect us. I guess giving up some of your rights for a little more security was more important to them.
Yeah. I guess most people don't understand how many people over the years that fought and died to protect us, and now they're letting their elected officials tear us apart.
How true. By the time people wake up and realize that we have been destroyed and they no longer have any civil liberties, it will be too late.
How did we end up the victims of this war on terror?
Good question. I thought the war on terror was to keep people from destroying us. Didn't our elected officials take an oath to protect and defend us from all enemies, foreign and domestic?
Politicians only care about one thing, getting re-elected.
Everything in our country is falling apart. People can't find work, and the cost of food and energy is skyrocketing.
Yeah. But the media keeps telling people how things are getting better. I think people are smart enough to know that there is no economic recovery.
I thought the government had a strong dollar policy. The poor dollar has been taking a beating.
Poor dollar. He can't take much more. I just had lunch with him last week too.
The Federal Reserve keeps trying to keep the stock market propped up and protect the banks. The dollar will be sacrificed in the process.
I hope the American people understand that things are going to get a lot worse. There have been plenty of good people warning them for some time now.
True. I hope they stand up to the politicians and defend us. Without us, they will just become slaves.
What can people do to fight back against them?
First, stopping doing business with any company that received bailout money. Don't put your money in any of the big banks. Find a local credit union instead.
Great idea. What else?
Call or email your congressmen and senators. Tell them you will only support candidates that will abolish the Patriot Act and restore the Constitution and Bill of Rights.
Awesome. I love it. What else?
Next, they must fight to end the Fed. We can't print our own money without the offshore banking cartels burying us ass deep in debt.
I love it. I got one. How about stop listening to the mainstream media? After all, those clowns are nothing but corporate propaganda machines.
Bravo. There might just be some hope after all. The American people just need to find that spirit that made this country what it once was.
So true. They just need to spend a little more time researching the facts.
Perfect. They could find it here on YouTube.
If anyone can get them fired up, can.
I hope people understand that we want to be around to provide the same rights to their children and grandchildren.
I hope people will listen to us before it's too late.